Yun mga kabayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa agency ko, ang Peridot. Dito lang yan sa Unit A, 1845 Yan Street, Makati City ng St. Clair Medical Center. Yan po yung pinpoint location. Yan, so dito tayo ngayon sa agency ko, ang Peridot. So check natin yung mga hiring. So meron po silang pipe welders, 20 ang kailangan, bound for New Zealand, and meron silang 5 fitter, 20, electrician 20, duct fitter 20, HVAC technician 20, sprinkler fitter 20 din. Ito pa yung mga qualification niya, at least 3 to 5 years experience in abroad in civil construction project, commercial building, mall, school, hotel, and stadium, etc. Siyempre, kailangan rin natin ng good in communication English. Yan. At employment certificate record mas verifiable. And with driver license. Yan po ang requirements for New Zealand. So, lipat naman tayo dito. Dito naman tayo for Brunei. Yan, Brunei. Sa Brunei naman po, meron po silang cook, Japanese, 15 ang kailangan. Sushi chefs, 8, waiter, and then 10, kitchen helper, 5. Cook sushi door, 12, bartender 6, waiter 10, service crew 9. Ang qualification niya is male and female. Minimum height with 157 cm and 56 without shoes. English and communication skills, siyempre kailangan pa rin yan. At least 3 years experience in fine dining restaurant. Yan. Bound to Brunei pa rin po. Meron po tayong trailer driver. Yan, 8 po kailangan. At saka auto mechanic, 8 rin po. 3 to 5 years experience ang kailangan. Yan mga kabayan. Yan mga kabayan, bound to Hungary pa rin tayo. Ito yung mga hiring nila. Yan. Screenshot nyo na lang po. Yan po yung mga hiring nila ngayon dito. Latest hiring ng agency ko dito sa Makati. Yun. So, check natin kung kailan sila mag-hire ng walk-in. Yan. Yun, ito yung announcement nila. So, starting nung January 9, 2024, we will not accept walk-in applicants. Yan po, hindi sila nag-accept ng applicants. Interested applicants, please send your updated resume and other pertinent documents to our email. Ito po yung email nila ha. So, pipicturean natin yung email nila. Yan. Yan po yung email nila. Note, we will have evaluate and notify only the qualified applicant for interview. Yan. Chat na lang nila kung sino yung mga nakapasa sa interview, for interview, ganyan. Yan po yan ngayon. Para naman po sa new applicant, please bring one set of the following Xerox copy only: detailed resume with job description, employment certificate, past training, seminar certificate, diploma, transfer of record, passport, NBI, and 1 pieces of 2x2 picture and PS certificate and e-register. Yan, kailangan po yan talaga sa pag-a-apply. Yun. So, check naman natin dito sa kabila mga kabayan na meron din silang bound for New Zealand. Yan. Yan sa mga bound for New Zealand, no? Ito, check natin. Meron mo silang carpenter, bound for New Zealand, 20. Excavator operator, 10. Civil drain players, 10. Drainage worker, 10. So, must have 5 years experience. And po, 5 years experience in abroad in civil construction project. Yan. We are open for walk-in applicants every day for the above categories. So mga ganitong kategorya, pwede po kayo mag-walk-in ha. Ayan, malinaw po, pwede po mag-walk-in sa ganitong mga hiring nila. Tapos kung gusto nyo pong ipasa, dito lang po yan sa peridot4nz@gmail.com. Yan, for New Zealand po yan. For New Zealand. Yan, ganito po yung agency namin dito sa Hungary. So wala pong walk-in ngayon, kaya email na lang po, tsaka na lang po ng email.